The renders of the iPhone 17 Pro Max released earlier today caused quite a stir, showcasing a horizontal camera bar reminiscent of Google Pixel's signature rear camera design. This striking new look, as depicted in the visuals shared by a Russian YouTube channel, gave tech enthusiasts much to discuss. However, before you get too attached to this concept, there's new information that suggests it might not hold up. A reputable leaker on Weibo known as Instant Digital claims that while changes are coming to the iPhone 17 Pro Max camera design, they won't be as drastic as initially portrayed. Now, if you're as excited about the latest tech updates as we are, here's a little something for you. To join our membership, link is in the description. It's your key to staying ahead with exclusive insights and updates. According to the leaker, the rumored horizontal camera bar will not feature on the iPhone 17 Pro Max or its sibling models in the series. Instead, Apple is expected to retain the triangular lens arrangement, albeit with minor tweaks. This revelation contradicts earlier speculation and reminds us just how fluid the rumor mill can be. The idea of a horizontal camera bar certainly would have marked a bold departure from Apple's design philosophy, but for now, it seems the Cupertino-based giant is playing it safe. There's also talk about the materials Apple might use for the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. Initial rumors suggested that Apple might reduce its use of titanium, a premium material, and opt for aluminum instead for the edges of the Pro models. Similarly, some reports hinted at aluminum replacing glass on certain rear panels. However, Instant Digital cast doubt on these claims, noting that such changes could be challenging to frame as improvements for Apple's flagship models set to debut in 2025. Titanium is synonymous with durability and a high-end feel, so its replacement might not sit well with those who appreciate Apple's commitment to quality materials. Adding to the complexity is a previously leaked image of the iPhone 17 Air's frame. The ultra-thin design appeared to accommodate a horizontal camera bar, leading many to wonder if the design would carry over to the Pro lineup. But based on the latest leaks, it's becoming increasingly likely that the Air model might sport the horizontal bar while the Pro version stick to a more traditional aesthetic. This could allow Apple to differentiate its product lines further, offering innovation on one side while maintaining a sense of continuity on the other. Still, it's worth noting that these are early days for iPhone 17 rumors, and definitive conclusions are hard to come by. The conflicting reports and speculative renders only serve to highlight the excitement and intrigue surrounding Apple's future releases. What seems certain is that Apple is experimenting behind the scenes, and the final designs will reflect a blend of innovation and brand identity. If you're eager to be the first to know as this story unfolds, don't miss out. To join our membership, link is in the description. You'll gain access to updates that matter most to tech enthusiasts. As we wait for more credible evidence to emerge, the conversation around the iPhone 17 Pro Max underscores how every detail, from the arrangement of camera lenses to the choice of materials, is scrutinized by fans and critics alike. Apple's ability to create buzz, even with unconfirmed leaks, remains unmatched. Whether the next generation of iPhones embraces bold changes or opts for subtle refinement, the debate keeps the tech community engaged. Thanks for staying with us through this breakdown. If you're as excited as we are about what's next, make sure to stick around for more updates. And remember, to join our membership, link is in the description. It's your gateway to staying informed, staying ahead, and staying connected. See you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256 gigabytes base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512 gigabytes and 1 TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM in the base model, with a 16 gigabytes RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 gigabytes/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.